country, women are stepping into manufacturing roles that are changing the way we build, create, and innovate. From advanced welding to precision machining and engineering, women are shaping the future. Could you be next? Despite the growing opportunity in manufacturing, women are still underrepresented in these high-demand careers. We make up less than 30% of the manufacturing workforce. At MiraCosta College Technology Career Institute, we're committed to changing that. Our programs in areas like engineering, welding, and machining are designed to equip students with the technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and confidence they need to excel in today's workforce. Here, learning isn't just about mastering tools and techniques. It's about preparing for a fulfilling and impactful career.
The TCI program at MiraCosta prepared me for this career and helped me connect to a community, my community.
Whenever we're hiring from TCI, we're not just hiring employees, we're hiring our future leaders.
I didn't know where to start, but the TCI program gave me the skills and confidence to take the first step.
Our programs don't just prepare students for success, they prepare them to lead. Whether you're ready to start, grow, or transform your career, now is the time. Let's change the world. Join us at TCI and discover what's possible.